This is a gold eagle, this silver buffalo, and this stuff is fake. So the good news is they stay with the gold, and I stay with silver. Because this is international money. This is God's money. It was put here by God.
Robert Kiyosaki, best-selling author of the Rich Dad, Poor Dad series, examines the US dollar's decline and why he prefers to invest in assets which cannot be printed like gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Kiyosaki is well known for encouraging and reinforcing passive income investments for long-term, but now has admitted that he finds more value in precious metals, specifically silver, above real estate. Before proceeding with the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more recent updates. Notably, Kiyosaki has been warning of a giant crash coming for some time now, including in mid-February when he explained that the United States Federal Reserve was forced to print billions in fake money, which is how he described the US dollar. Kiyosaki said that gold and silver are God's money. Bitcoin is open-source people's money. He also believes that the US dollar is toast. Kiyosaki has allegedly been a longtime critic of the U.S. Federal Reserve's monetary policies and has voiced his concerns over the devaluation of the U.S. dollar. Unlike gold and silver, the U.S. dollar has no intrinsic value and is artificially propped up. We might often mistake fiat dollars for money, but there is a difference between money and cash. Precious metals are God's money, but cash is a fiat currency that is man-made money.
I want to inspire people to buy gold and silver right now. I want to get them off their butts and go down to the local dealer, and this here is an eagle. I bought the first one in Vietnam for $50. I still have that. It was a Krugerrand though, and it was illegal for me in '72 to buy gold. Imagine that, illegal. I just smuggled that damn thing in. I still have that thing. I paid $50 for it, and today it's worth $2,000. All that means to me is this piece of toilet paper is coming down. So I'm doing my best, like you are in Stansbury, to do our best to get people off of fake money, which is this stuff here, toilet paper, and get into silver. I love silver. How many years I've been talking about silver? Because this is an industrial metal. It's burned at every EV, every solar panel and all that. This is burned up. I was just in Vancouver for the VRI, Vancouver Resource. What a great program that is. But this is going to be the hottest thing. This is the next. I'm a real estate guy, but this is going to be hotter than real estate next few years. Gold and silver. So and wait, one more thing. Everybody can afford one of these things. This is about $30. This is $2,000. Everybody can afford one silver eagle.
The well-named author Robert Kiyosaki has shared his prediction on how high he thinks the prices of gold and silver will reach in 2023. Kiyosaki has prophesied that there will be a crash across all asset classes, including the stock market, commodities such as gold and silver, and even the broader crypto market in his prognosis. Coming as a direct response to the current state of the market, he stated unequivocally that he intends to increase his holdings of gold, silver, and Bitcoin regardless of whether or not their prices improve, thus demonstrating his unwavering faith in the value of these investments. According to Kiyosaki, everything will crash, including prices gold, silver, Bitcoin. Do not panic. Last week, he warned investors that it may be the last chance for them to buy gold and silver at low prices. He expects the stock market to crash, sending the prices of gold and silver higher.
My concern here is that the boomers are the biggest generation in history. And when their pensions go, it's going to suck cash out of the stock market. So Charlie would probably still say buy stocks. But the reason I like cryptos, not Bitcoin, is because of blockchain. And blockchain is an accounting system. It's more legitimate than the Fed or the Treasury or Wall Street. So Charlie Munger is in the Fed, Treasury, Wall Street crowd, and the younger generations, millennials and below, are in iPhone crowd. This is the most powerful tool I've ever seen. I still don't know how to use it because I'm an old guy. But this thing here is the most powerful tool I've ever seen in history. And there's more tools coming. But this thing here, this iPhone, I'm on that, I can call anybody in the world like that. It's amazing what can be done. So the younger generation is on this thing while Charlie Munger is on, the Fed, Treasury, and Wall Street.
Robert Kiyosaki has shared his view after American billionaire Charlie Munger's call for a ban on cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Kiyosaki pointed out that while Munger may still advocate for stocks and traditional finance systems, the younger generation is embracing cryptocurrencies because of the legitimacy of their accounting system. Alongside silver and gold, Robert Kiyosaki has praised Bitcoin as one of the 3 hottest subjects on Earth, referring to the flagship decentralized finance asset as people's money and attributing its bullish rally earlier this year to the increasing demand for alternative investment products. In the light of the recent crypto crackdown by the U.S. financial watchdog, Robert's views have yet again stood the test of time. Kiyosaki has underlined numerous times that one of Bitcoin's key advantages is that it's acknowledged as a commodity, a status that is more comparable to that of gold and silver.
Well, what happened, one of the first things Biden did was he cut off the Keystone XL pipeline. And as you know, I own gold mines, I also own oil wells. I own anything the Fed cannot print. So when my oil wells, when Biden came to office, when Trump exited, I was selling oil at $30 a barrel. The moment the Keystone XL pipeline came offline, oil went from 30 to 130. Today it's about 80 or 90. But oil causes inflation. Then they added, COVID to the whole thing, and inflation went up. And the ripple effect from that, the precession from all that high-priced oil, and our strategic reserve is gone. They're buying oil from Venezuela, of all places. I mean, this guy Biden's a criminal. He's buying it from Venezuela, and so our whole economy is in trouble. He's destroying the middle class, because the middle class is the guy standing there next to their SUV, pumping gasoline, making me richer, because I'm now selling oil for 80 a barrel. But the price of oil keeps going up, our economy keeps coming down. So what do you expect to happen? My company we're studying homelessness right now. And the next video we're studying, we studied this morning, there's about 20 of us get together, we watch a video. We watched a video on Venezuela, the richest country, one of the richest countries in the world, is the poorest country. And then the next video we're studying is homelessness in California, another rich country. But it's also going homeless. So there's something going on, Daniela, which I have not figured out yet. How can 2 rich countries, Venezuela, America, and the richest state, California or New York, why is the homelessness going up? It disturbs me. I don't like it.
Moreover, the renowned author Kiyosaki has repeatedly said that he does not trust the Biden administration, the Treasury Department, the Federal Reserve, or Wall Street. He has warned many times that the Fed is destroying the economy and the U.S. dollar. The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield is up from around 3.4% at the start of February to 3.9% today. Many people are curious about Robert Kiyosaki's perspective, especially as it relates to the current state of the global economy and the role of money. The U.S. dollar, which is the world's primary reserve currency, has been losing value in recent years due to the Federal Reserve's excessive printing of money. In late January, he also warned of the rough landing for the world as the result of soaring bad news, bankruptcy, unemployment, and homelessness, suggesting investing in precious metals and Bitcoin as valuable assets that could weather the economic storm. What are your thoughts about performance of dollar, gold, and silver in future? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoy our content, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.